Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be doing this sugar skull makeup look. So I didn't exactly film every single little detail, but I do take you through what I did, and yeah, I really like how it came out. I love the rhinestones. They just add a lot of glam to the look. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this sugar skull or skull glam makeup for Halloween and Day of the Dead, please keep watching and we will get right into the video. Alright, so I am going to start out with a gel liner. This one is by Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics, and I'm going to begin to draw certain areas of the face. So I actually made a face chart for this. I wanted my, I guess my sugar skull to be as original as possible. So, or like as mine as possible. So let me show you guys. So I pretty much drew it out, and that is what I'm going to do on my face. Alright, so I think I'm going to begin with the forehead because I'm going to be doing some designs there and on the sides of the face, and then I'm not wearing I don't have my eyebrows on this side because I am actually going to block everything out. Let's begin. I'm going to be looking into a mirror for certain things that I need to do. So I'm going to draw out, and so I'm going to begin here. Alright, so on my face chart, I pretty much drew some stars and little circles that are the diamonds. So the little rhinestones. So that's what I'm going to be applying now. So this is going to probably take me about 2 hours, but then with the magic of editing, this is probably gonna end up being at the most not even 20 minutes. So yeah, let's get started. And I am using my duo lash glue for this. Rhinestones. And the smallest ones are probably gonna be the hardest. Alright, so I'm going to continue. So as you can see now, I'm sticking them on the little lines that I drew, and I'm going to stick them all along this side, and then some bigger ones right here. And I'm just going to stick them where I pretty much, not exactly as the face chart, because some lines I kind of just changed up, but I'm going to stick them as they go. And then here I have some stars, which I am also going to use, and these are I drew them out at the top is where I am going to apply them. So these are like medium sized. Compared to the larger ones. And then there's like really tiny ones as I have on the lower part of my face. Alright, and going to finish off this part and along this side. Alright, so I finished that, and now I'm adding them along the, I guess, half moon type of thing going on here. So I'm going to continue. So what I'm doing is a star, rhinestone, a star rhinestone, and I'm going to probably go all the way up here. And now wherever I can in between the gaps, I'm going to add some smaller ones as I did here. Alright, so I began adding the rhinestones on this side as well. So I'm going to finish up this side. For that I'm using the large rhinestones because there's not many of them in the pack, so I thought, where can I place those? So that's the area where I feel like I wouldn't need as many. Alright, so now I can continue doing the little like teardrop. So now I'm adding the rhinestones on the teardrops over here on this side. So now where I outlined the what would be the hollow of the eye, I'm going to apply some rhinestones just around, but not as uh, tightly as the other ones. So I'm going to fill in the part of the hollow. So I'm going to take a flat brush. Alright, so for this side, now I'm going to take that shade in pink here and apply it all along the crease. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually draw a liner. Alright everyone, so this is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. Sorry that it's a little bit late, but it's right on time for Day of the Dead, which is celebrated here in Mexico. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you like this sugar skull Catrina makeup look for Halloween and Day of the Dead. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.